Hey everybody, so welcome to Stock Likes. It's been a minute since we've talked about Nvidia and just the market in general. So yesterday Nvidia was having a really great day, and I thought it was gonna really break out. It hit 155, I think it was, and there wasn't really. I don't see that there's a ton of news. I think it just keep bouncing, support and resistance, just bouncing back and forth, and it wants to take off past that 155 level, but it's just coming back down to 135. It's been doing that for almost 3 months, it looks like, just back and forth. The video is like the 500-pound gorilla that we're all wanting to jump sky high because it's a lot of us have that as majority of portfolio, and it just for a long time it's just been hanging around just in that 155 and back to 110, just back and forth. And eventually I think it's gonna break those levels and take off. It just takes time, and like everything else, it's held its position as far as really good compared to the other stocks that took a tank, like Palantir and a few others that just got a beat down as and they're coming back. But Nvidia just been just holding solid, but I just waiting for it to really take off past those levels, which I think it will. You just got to give it time, and like anything else, you just got to have patience for it, especially with Nvidia. So I mean, I haven't really been buying much in Nvidia. I just been sitting what I have and just have you get some little interest from the video here and there, but I haven't really bought Nvidia much because I was just really concerned about the level that it's at. I just wanted to break out further. I'm not really concerned. It's kind of just sitting there doing nothing, so it's kind of hard to justify buying more shares. I'm just waiting for some kind of move to justify that. But that's a video for you. It's the big dog, so I'm really waiting for it to really take off. So the rest of my day, I just have my Palantir's doing better today, and I'm just continuing with my DCA there, and then and also getting some more into the quantum plays, just really trading those, and then basically trading. And I'm still have my trading account that I set up. I'm just trying to uh, kind of forex that one at least compared to my other ones, but it's a tough go there. It's not easy to really trade. I was trying to make something happen. I'm out of work still, so I'm just with my all the four different accounts that I have, or four or five that I did really well in, and then setting up this trading account. I was trying to use that to income, but that's just like like 90% of all traders fail. So that lasted a week for me, and the reality, I just gotta land a job to get that income going, even though I'm like freelancing. But that just hit the reality check with me that I like the odds of making it as a trader are like so low. It's like, yeah, that that idea and that hope of trying to make it as a trader, I don't think I'm just forgetting that. It's not enough to. I did that in years ago, and I was making 400 a day, this and that. But this market's so back and forth, and plus you need the huge capital, which I don't really have at this time. But yeah, just that's where that is. But really, with the video, I'm just really waiting for it's gonna break out one of these days, and I think we're all just sitting there waiting for it to happen. And there was some DLSS today, 5 multi-frame generator support. They announced, that's what Nvidia announced, guess this multi-frame generator is going to be used on 75 games and apps for the RTX 50 series. But Nvidia always has different earnings releases, that all the great things that they're doing back and forth, but it just eventually I think it's just a chart thing that they really need to some catalyst to break it out of these levels for it to go higher, which it will, but we're just waiting to see what happens there. But yeah, this just my talk on the video, and I'm playing the markets with my trading and just kind of seeing where everything goes. And really, it is what I'm right now. Today I was trading Rigati, and seeing just a little bit, seeing where that's gonna play out. I might get out of that today. It's just trading it, but and everything else is pretty much down today, and Tesla and everything else. So you can only do so much. So we're just gonna wait to see what happens. I don't know when the next earnings report. It could be around the corner. I know Palantir's is pretty soon, but like I was saying, sometimes those earnings could really be the catalyst. But lately, the last one, it really didn't help it much. It didn't do anything. The last earnings report, and even the last few, November didn't do much, and then they had their dividend. It's like a month later they have their dividends that go out. I think the one before that, it went down in August, and then I think the one in May, that's the one where it really jumped up from the 90s to where we're at now, and then we're kind of stuck in that range for seems like forever. When we get out of that range, who knows? But we just gotta wait and see. So you can only put so many eggs in one basket, and I only have so much funds, and so I'm stuck with what I have. I'm not gonna really keep adding to the video until it proves something that it can. And if you guys like this video, hit like and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. It's just my opinion here about Nvidia. I just wanted to talk about, and yeah, see what happens. Just we're waiting. Hopefully one day it gets past that 155 level and it makes everybody happy. But we'll see. Yeah, I'm running out of space on my phone. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.